All right, we'll be connecting a USB cable to the LI-870. Quick demonstration on how to do it. You'll have to grab your 870 firmly and use the connector. There is a 3-piece gasket that creates a weather seal, which causes quite an issue with connection. You insert it and forcibly rock it back and forth till you hear both clicks. You have to rock it back and forth. It's actually the easiest way to get it on. If you just force straight on, it won't go into place. Then to release, push both clip leads, should slide out. Again, insert, and then start rocking, and it'll click in place.